In this challenge review, we're going to go ahead and enable collisions on the floor and turn it blue when a collision occurs. So here we define the mesh renderer component. And then we're going to detect collisions and turn ourselves blue. So before we do anything, let's just detect a collision occurred. And so we're going to use onCollisionEnter, and I'm going to rename this to other. And this is going to allow me to just simply debug.log the other object. So we're going to say other, and I'm going to append the other.gameObject.name. I want to know the name of the game object that collided with the floor. If we let Unity compile, let's run the application. I'm going to hit the space key, and we can see here that the other is player. So the floor is successfully detecting the collision, and now we can continue by defining the mesh renderer component. So here we get a handle to the component mesh renderer. We'll call it mesh. And then we're going to need void start. And inside of here, we're going to do mesh equals get component mesh renderer. And we'll go ahead and clean up these comments here. Now that we have the component, we can then say, okay, cool, we detected the collision. I'm going to check if my mesh is null. So if the mesh is not null, then we successfully grabbed the component. So if it's not null, then we're going to grab the underscore mesh, the material, and the color, and we're going to set it equal to color.blue. We'll go ahead and run Unity. And from here, there we go. Now we can focus on the last problem. I'll see you in the next challenge.